Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your screen recording video results in the CapCut PC. So if you use the record screen features on CapCut PC but you cannot find your screen record video, here I'm going to show you a quick guide to see the exact location where CapCut saves your recordings and how you can import them in one click. So what you need to do in here, on the CapCut PC homepage, you can just click on the gear icon to go to the CapCut settings and click on settings, and here under the draft there will be the screen recording option, and this is where your screen recording video will be saved. But if you want to see the folder directly, you can just click on this folder icon, and just like that you'll see the folder path where the screen recording video is saved. After that, if you want to import it into CapCut, you just need to find it in this folder that you see. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.